Now today we're in the lab. We want to talk to you guys a little bit about using zMAX in your engine, whether it's an older engine or a new one. There's a great deal of benefits that go for both. First of all, it's a micro-lubricant. It's going to lubricate all your internal components at a much higher level than just using oil alone.
Now let's say you're like me and you've got a 1996 Ford Ranger pushing almost 200,000 miles. Odds are pretty good there's some carbon deposits in there. Well, that's easy to take care of with the zMAX. You add it into the system. It gets carried around by the oil and the fuel to the places where the oil and fuel can't go, and it will slowly get rid of those carbon deposits. Now, how does it soak into the metal? It does that with the heat cycles. It takes probably about 1,000 miles. Is what we like to say. You know, it gets in there, the engine has to get hot, then it cools down, it gets hot and cools down. While it's doing that, the pores of the metal are opening up and the zMAX is getting in there, and that's what's allowing the zMAX to soak in.
Now we talk about engines. One thing I want to point out is zMAX has got a product, the only one of its type that's approved by the FAA for piston-driven aircraft engines. Now think about that. They're flying high in the sky. Right. They don't have anywhere to pull over if they've got a problem. If they have to pull over, it's going to get ugly. So if they can rely on it, you can rely on zMAX in your engine as well.